Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today reviewed the COVID situation in all the districts of the state through video conference with the Deputy Commissioner and health officials. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said that the situation in the state is serious with cases rising every day, but taking appropriate measures now can prevent the situation to get out of control in the days to come. We have to take precautionary measures to avoid situations like Delhi and Mumbai by following strict COVID protocols and getting ourselves vaccinated, he said. He added that the people have slackened and let their guards down, which needed to be followed again. The Chief Minister also ruled out lockdown and said that the effort is to minimize economic restrictions. However, a balance between economic conditions and health safety must be maintained. He also informed that the state is among the lowest performers in COVID vaccination and the focus of the government will be on the aggressive vaccinations in the next 10 days. We have to set a target to vaccinate 6.5 lakh eligible beneficiaries for COVID vaccination in the next 7 days by identifying the most vulnerable locations and target groups, he said. He urged the eligible beneficiaries to come forward and vaccinate themselves and urged different groups and stakeholders like Dorbarchnongs, headmen, religious leaders, etc. to involve themselves in creating awareness and sensitization about the vaccination. The vaccination is completely safe with minor side effects, and though a person may be tested positive after the vaccination, the symptoms are mild and does not prove fatal as compared to the ones who have not been vaccinated, he added.
You see, the situation that we are facing right now throughout the state and throughout the country is indeed very alarming. And the number at which and the pace at which things are growing is very, very high. So therefore, we need to act right now. The two most important things to do for the state and for the people is number one, obviously maintain the behavioral change and the protocols, and number two is to take the vaccination. I want to assure and give the confidence to all our citizens that it is very safe. I have taken the injection first shot myself, and almost close to 1.5 lakh people in the state have taken, and there have been no reports of any kind of reaction to the vaccination that's there. So therefore it's absolutely safe. And at the same time, we have also got reports that the vaccination has actually helped in protecting the people. So therefore, I sincerely urge everybody to come out and go to the closest center, vaccination center, and get the vaccination. Number two, it is very critical for us to ensure that we do it in a time-bound manner. The vaccination program requires us to complete the 45 years and above at the earliest. We have close to 6.5 lakh people in the state who are above the age of 45. So therefore the target is not very big. And we have discussed this since yesterday, and we are determined to finish all the 6.5. We have close to 6.5 lakh people in the state who are above the age of 45. So therefore the target is not very big. And we have discussed this since yesterday, and we are determined to finish all the 6.5 lakhs within the next 1 week. So I had a meeting with all the deputy commissioners, and we have reviewed the situation, and all have been asked to make a plan. Coming to Nongrim Hills, I would like to really congratulate the health department and the Rangbashnong and the entire Dorbar and the locality for really taking this initiative. It has been a very positive response from them. It is because of the community participation that we are able to move this vaccination drive so aggressively in Nongrim Hills. And it's not 7 days, but in the next 2 days to maximum 3 days, we have requested the medical department and the Rangbashnong and the entire Dorbar to ensure that we complete the entire vaccination of Nongrim Hills, which is about 500 plus people who are above the age of 45 in the next 2 to 3 days.